Welcome back. Today we are in Las Vegas at the Virgin Hotel. We're in the Canyon Tower in a complimentary room, which we received for doing a status match to their new Cherry Rewards. I highly recommend that. It's going on till September the 1st. We got a great strip view room. We also look out at their pool complex, which actually looks quite extensive. We're in a king room. It's a cute room. I like the design. It's quite large. It's an interesting bed frame. It appears that they list the style of the bed here on the side in case you want to purchase it for at home. Lots of lighting in this room. I really like this trolley cart idea that houses the mini bar. We looked up the Snickers bar. It was $12 US, so of course it's not cheap. There is a flat screen TV here. And then over here there's a seating area. On the bedside table here there's some sort of a sheep. I've been told that we can take that home, so we definitely will. And it looks like there's a cute clock. This is a great room. It's just really unfortunate that Virgin is off strip. I know that's a turnoff for many people. It is really nice though. There's a little peephole there on the door, which is cute. And then out here, there is the bathroom. The sink is on its own. I did notice that some of those lights there at the storage area turn on automatically. And then you've got the toilet and the shower through this door. Looks like a decent walk-in shower. Got a rainfall shower head there with some toiletries on the wall. And then back out here, there was a vanity for getting ready. And then just the closet storage area here. It's a great room. That is it. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next one.